We're going to learn how to make a background for our birds. Look at this silly paper. It's got a slit cut right in the middle. Here's why. We are not going to use this part with the X in it. We're going to use the top and a little bit of the bottom. I think I'll draw some trees because I always see birds in trees. You may want to draw something else, a different place for your bird to live. Do you notice that trees are mostly made up of lines? So I feel good about drawing lines. I'm just going to draw a lot of them. When it comes to leaves, I can just suggest that there are leaves there. Ooh, I sped up my film and made some big green swirls. And grass, again, I'll just make some little marks that make it look just like grass. I know that birds like sky. I'll put up some white clouds and some blue sky. I want to think about where my bird's going to be sitting. Is it going to be in a pond or a nest? For this video, I think I'll show you how to draw a pond. I've got some green lily pads in it. My pond is going to be in a nice grassy area, so I will grab that green crayon again and I'll put in some dark and wonderful grass. I will color my lake blue for my pond. Definitely want to write my name where everyone can see it. Now watch how this works. I'm going to put the pond or the nest or whatever I drew on top of the X, just like that. And suddenly my flat paper is three-dimensional. So I go on top of the X and I set it down on my table. I can fold it in a little bit to make it stand up. I can put my bird right on top of that. And there it is.